In the world today, unhealthy options when eating are readily available to us, and often it's harder to eat healthy than it is to choose the unhealthy options. However, there are many reasons to eat healthy, and in this video we give you 5 of them. Number 1. Weight loss. The most obvious reason to eat healthy is that it helps you lose weight if you eat a balanced diet. This can in turn help to reduce the chances of heart disease, poor bone density, and some cancers. Eating whole vegetables and fruits will have a lower intake of calories than most processed foods, which is important for someone when losing weight. In addition, fiber is one element of a healthy diet that is particularly important for managing weight. Number 2. Health for future generations. Many often don't care enough for themselves, but will go to great lengths to care for the future generations, such as their kids and grandchildren. However, children learn health-related behaviors from adults and specifically parents, so if you eat healthy, it's highly likely your children will pick up the same habits. Other benefits of eating healthy at home is children have been found to be less likely to eat out and sugary foods when they eat at home with family. In addition, children who participate in gardening and cooking at home are more likely to make healthy dietary and lifestyle choices as they get educated in healthy food. Number 3. Improve mood. Studies are regularly showing that there is a close relationship between diet and mood. For example, in 2016, researchers found that a diet with a high glycemic load may cause increased symptoms of depression and fatigue. This would be a diet that includes many refined carbohydrates, such as those found in soft drinks, cakes, white bread, and biscuits. Whereas vegetables, whole fruit, and whole grains have a low glycemic load, thus improving your mood. Number 4. Improve memory. Studies have shown that a healthy diet can help slow or even prevent dementia and cognitive decline. By including vitamins D, C, and E, omega-3 fatty acids, flavonoids, and polyphenols into your diet, you will help improve your memory. The Mediterranean diet incorporates many of these nutrients and is well known for its health benefits. And most diets where the focus is on balanced, natural, and nutritious foods will have similar benefits on your memory. Number 5. Improve sleep. A number of varying factors, including sleep apnea, can disrupt sleep patterns at night. Sleep apnea occurs when the airways are repeatedly blocked during sleep, with risk factors that include obesity, drinking alcohol, and eating an unhealthy diet. By reducing the consumption of alcohol and caffeine can help to ensure restful sleep, helping you feel rested and better for the next day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads.